national anthem of fucking metal. I'm talking about Metal on. You got it.
You can't help but love all of the guys in the band. It shows you how talented they are. Just a great time. We love you. We love you. Best of luck. All the best. You deserve all of it.
Great documentary, very telling, and awesome ending.
I want to come out and meet everybody here. We'll get out there. We'll fucking party a bit. And a real important thing, we got CDs out there for sale. Help me pay my sister back, man.